Ritika, how was your experience? What did you like in Kerala?
डियर व्यूअर्स, आज मैं आई हूँ दोबारा से केरला में अपनी फेवरेट जगहों को एक्सप्लोर करने, बिकॉज स्पेसिफिकली आज मैं आई हूँ मेरी फ्रेंड के साथ, जिसके साथ मैं पूरा केरला एक्सप्लोर करने वाली हूँ। तो आप भी चलिए मेरे साथ मेरी इस खूबसूरत जर्नी पे। मैं जा रही हूँ आज केरल को पूरा घूमने। तो केरल को घूमने के लिए हमें चाहिए बहुत सारा टाइम, जो मैंने निकाल लिया है। तो आज आप मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं, पता नहीं मैं कहाँ हूँ तो आप मेरे साथ चलिए किसी ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे पहाड़ हो, पानी हो और बहुत सारे मज़े कर सकें। कम ऑन। जस्ट अपने घर आई हूँ अपनी फ्रेंड को लेके, और मेरी मम्मी कर रही है मेरी फ्रेंड की आरती। ये बेसिकली एक कल्चर है, लेकिन मेरी मम्मी ने आज दिन तक मेरी कभी आरती नहीं की, एंड शी इज़ वेलकमिंग हर। सी, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ होता है अतिथि देवो भव। बेसिकली रितिका हमारी घर की फैमिली मेम्बर है, बट स्टिल मम्मी इज ट्रीटिंग हर लाइक अतिथि, बिकॉज फॉर केरला शी इज अतिथि, मीन्स द गेस्ट। इतनी इज्जत मम्मी, इतनी इज्जत। मीठा भी है,
आप तुम्हारी करेंगे,
मेरी भी हो रही है।
अरे
अरे बस मम्मी, इतना प्यार। अरे अरे मम्मी, अरे इतना
ये बॉडी हो जाएगी, खाएगी नहीं।
केरला का सफ़र शुरू किया हम लोगों ने इस जगह से। आप में से जितने भी लोग इस जगह के बारे में जानते हैं, सो प्लीज़ कमेंट ओवर हियर एंड लेट मी नो विच प्लेस इज़ दिस। सो आई टुक माय फ्रेंड टू this particular location, which was one of my favorite location. So when I was new in Kerala, I also came here first. I had a really big obsession because I wanted to see like which is the exact place where the movie Bahubali has been shooted. So more than Bahubali, we all are such obsessed with that song of Aishwarya Rai na, that Barso Re Megha Megha. So that song, I have seen the visuals and everything, and my father told that that place is in Kerala. That's how I come to know about this location. The name of this location is Athirapalli, which is in Chalakudi, Thrissur district. And now we are here at church. So my friend have never visited the church, so today I took her first to the church so that she can get this experience. I also visited my first church experience in Kerala only. After this, now we have come to the main place. You can see the place is so beautiful. Even I have seen this first time. I never came down to the waterfall. So this question has been asked from the multiple peoples to me, like why do you choose to be in Kerala? So I have so many reasons to tell you, but today I will reveal one of the biggest reason. Like you can see, Kochi is the city where I am working right now, and too much of work gives you too much of tension, stress also, and this is a part of life. We all are going through this. But when you have places like Athirapalli, then you will feel like going there again and again, and you can feel the peace of the nature. Why I am saying this now? Because I want you to hear what I am hearing here. So this is the nature sound which gives you peace. Too many things are going into your brain, and when you hear the waterfall sound, the trees you will see, and this much of greenery, so you will automatically feel peace. That is what we both are enjoying over here. We both always wanted a place where we can just see the nature and feel the nature, and today we both are here and we are so much blessed and happy. What I feel is just because of attracted too much towards the western culture, we are almost forgetting what we have in India. So basically now, if so many people, I was asking like where should I take my friend in Kerala, so people were suggesting me take her to Lulu Mall, take her to that place, this place, Sobha City, so many things. But I was like, why should I take her over there? She should see the natural beauty of Kerala. That is what the reality is. Like even so many people are coming via tourist buses and all, right? So they are taking the packages. So packages are going to some limited places, and they are actually not showing the real beauty of Kerala. They are going to show you some flora fauna which has been developed by us. So the real beauty of Kerala is not at all visible, and somehow via my channel I'm trying to show that to the best level. Even my friend got obsessed to come to Kerala because she was watching, like, wherever I'm going I'm seeing this kind of beauty of Kerala, and that's how she got attracted towards Kerala. And same thing right now, I'm trying my best that the people who are watching my video should come and see the beauty of our nation. So now we both are at Trishur. So Trishur has so many number of beaches. So one of the beaches, this beach. So this beach is Chavakkad beach. I already made a video on Chavakkad. Chavakkad has a brief history also. So you can watch that video also of me in Chavakkad. So right now we both came to Chavakkad because it was much nearer to my location. Otherwise there are so many places where beaches all there, like Tripayar beach is there. This is Chavakkad beach and Sneha Tiram is there. So Trishur is having everything like that. Even there are beaches in Kochi also, but as we reached to Atirapalli, after that we started for a beach, because you might say like you would have taken her to other places, but the thing is, like, in north we have rivers, but specifically in my side, from the place where we both belong is UP Aligarh, so there we have river, but we do not have beaches. So that's why North Indians, specifically the people coming from the UP side, are more attracted towards the beaches, waterfall is there in Uttarakhand also. But yeah, for sure, if we are seeing something like Atirapalli, why wouldn't we enjoy that? Same like that, we both are enjoying over here. Every place has its own significance. Like you can say, like in Kerala, you will find mountains, beaches, waterfalls, and what else we can find. Please comment over here so that if would have missed something, then I should go and check it out. So now you would say like, why in these videos we both are there? Actually, we were making some reel, but I planned to make a video of it because I recorded my friends. What you can say, like, experience of being in Kerala. So in continuation of that, I wanted to show you what is that she have done. So because I was so much engaged with her, I was not able to make a proper vlog, or I was not able to shoot a lot of things because we were like talking. We were just going to the places. I was showing her, I was telling her my experiences in Kerala.
वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। आज हमारा लास्ट डे है केरला में, मतलब मेरा नहीं है, मेरी फ्रेंड का है। तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ मेरी फ्रेंड से, रितिका। अभी हम दोनों एक्चुअली चावक्काड बस स्टैंड पे खड़े हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज वी वेंट टू अ बीच एंड वी आर एक्चुअली गॉन इनटू द वाटर। सो रितिका, how was your experience? What did you like in Kerala?
It was pretty much good, and I like most the people of Kerala. They are very sweet and they have very smiling face.
That is right. She was asking me the other day, like, Akushita, the shopkeepers are really smiling. Are they, like, why are they smiling? And the shopkeeper was like, okay. This is what even I like the most. Okay, so what is your review about the weather? Be loyal.
I experience all kind of weather here.
Yeah.
It's sunny here, it's raining here, it's cold here. I guess all kind of seasons.
Okay, so would you like to visit Kerala again? Definitely. She is already into the mud and she's all set to come back again. So this was all about Kerala. We have to go because we have to catch up a Trishur bus and we are already late. And our mother is waiting over there. Mummy, let's go.
मैं स्पेसिफ़िकली अपनी फ्रेंड को केरला की लोकल बस से लेकर आई ताकि वो केरला की जो रियल ब्यूटी है उसको देख सके। और रियल ब्यूटी इज़ नॉट ऑल अबाउट शोइंग द weather and every other thing, but showing the real culture of Kerala. So there was banana chip shop, there were so many shops and all which I wanted to show her. This is why I choose the local transport to showcase Kerala.